Okay, so let's see our results. So as we saw in the previous video, we uploaded the course introduction video to the Azure Media Services video indexer portal. So we see what happens. It says that it was last indexed 4 minutes ago, which actually I believe I haven't refreshed the page. Uh, let's see. Okay, last index 41 minutes ago. Okay, and the video seems to be 2 minutes and 44 seconds. So let's play it. So um, we already have the video indexed. You see that here we have insights, the timeline. Timeline says, okay, hello, I hope you're doing great. We are going to start course for developing video portal with, okay, this one is wrong, so let's see. Those are the things so I can modify. Okay, so we fix these words. Yeah, I believe it's only 1p. So this one actually it didn't recognize my pronunciation. Blazor doesn't seem to be a really common word yet, so probably needs to be added. Uh, yeah, so we already did that, and we can keep seeing our insights, and we can actually modify some of these. See that here we have for labels, we can actually delete some of those. We can see more insights in here, so let's apply all. And yeah, labels, we can add keywords. So let's see, I will add Blazor there. So Blazor should be here. Blazor WebAssembly. Uh, okay, this is the thing. Uh, Keywords can only be added if they are in the transcript. So yeah. Let's see, and yeah, we have other entities, labels. See that it says recognize somewhere this TV, recognize Microsoft, Azure, Windows, Active Directory, Finder software, Twitter, Facebook. Recognize emotion in there, sentiments, recognize something in here, and yeah, that's basically it. And then you can download the artifacts, the insights, the transcripts, the artifacts, the source video, and you can also embed these in your pages. You can share the URL, or you can embed the widgets and do something as what we are going to do in the in our website. Let's see what happens with this. If we copy, it take us directly to the portal. Now you will see this. Since the video is private, we probably are not going to be able to see it unless we are logged in. So let's try to make it public. Okay, it says the everything is succeeded. Let's try to, I don't know if it's the URLs, it's the same URL, so let's see. Yeah, so it takes us to the video. It's currently public, and we are not able to edit it, but we are able to get some of the information from here. So with this we can actually create a really interesting and useful website. You could actually embed this, which is actually something we are going to do using the widgets. Uh, okay, so yeah, that's basically it. Those are the results for the video we uploaded. So index for our introduction to the Azure video indexer part of this course about developing a video portal using Blazor and Azure Video Indexer. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.